Hey, so if you've ever needed to capture a full web page or long document, yeah, a normal screenshot just isn't enough. That's where scrolling capture in ShareX comes in. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to take scrolling screenshots easily. First, open ShareX on your computer. Make sure it's running so you can access the capture tools. Next, click on Capture and then choose Scrolling Capture. This feature lets you capture content beyond what's visible on screen. Now, click on the window or web page you want to capture. ShareX will detect the scrollable area automatically. In the scrolling capture window, click Start Scrolling Capture. ShareX will scroll automatically and capture everything. If the capture isn't perfect, you can adjust settings like scroll speed or delay to improve the result. Once it finishes, stop the capture and preview the full image. You should now see the entire page in one screenshot. You can edit the screenshot, add highlights, text, or crop sections if needed. And finally, save your image or upload it instantly to get a shareable link. So yeah, that's how to capture scrolling screenshots in ShareX. Once you try it, it makes capturing long pages super easy. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.